Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to use Google Sheets. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your Chrome browser, and after that click on this Google Apps option and search here for Google Sheets. Just like here is Google Sheet, I will click on it and I'll open up the website of Google Sheets. So here is the website. So from here you guys can create the templates like to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, etc. Now, for example, I want to create a Google Sheet for to-do list. So we just click on it, and after clicking, there will be this type of interface. So now, for example, I have to add a heading here, like for my work, just like for example, I want 20 videos to be done on Wednesday, just like, and I can also make it like bold, just like by selecting and clicking on this B option. You guys can also use the key of Control B, and as you guys can see, it's more now. And after writing it, you guys can also just like check it. It's easy, and you guys can also check the colors from here. You guys can change the colors, and it's easy, and that's how you guys can easily use Google Sheets.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.